In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to HubSpot Forms. To get started, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're successfully logged in, we're going to navigate over to the trial guide. This is an invaluable resource that offers all the tools and advice you'll need to begin crafting your forms effectively. Now, from your HubSpot homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to your profile. Simply click on your profile icon, then select Profile and Preferences. This user-friendly area will serve as a control center for managing your account settings and preferences. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and locate the section titled Properties. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're ready to create your new property, which will essentially become your custom field in your form. Click on Create Property. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a property label. This label is crucial as it defines what the field will be called in your system, and it's how you'll identify it in the future. Consider something intuitive that clearly reflects the data you'll be collecting. Once you've input your property label, direct your attention again to the left side of your screen and find Field Type. This is where you can choose the appropriate type of field that aligns with the kind of information you want to gather. For example, options might include text, drop-downs, or numbers, among others, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. Picking the right field type is essential for ensuring that the data collection is effective and aligned with your objectives. After you've made your selection, you're ready to finalize the process by clicking Create. Doing so firmly establishes this new property in your HubSpot system, and it will be available for use immediately in your forms. As you continue to build or adjust your forms, you can easily incorporate this custom field, giving you greater flexibility and precision in data collection. This is particularly advantageous for those specific insights you might seek from your audience or when tailoring unique interactions. This added functionality will empower you to optimize the way information is collected and processed in HubSpot, making your data-driven strategies all the more robust and directed. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on adding custom fields to your HubSpot forms. Remember, by customizing your data collection, you're well on your way to creating more targeted and meaningful interactions with your audience. Feel free to explore additional resources for further tips and tricks on maximizing your use of HubSpot's features.